Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing some work in my work planner. I kind of let it and my everyday planner fall by the wayside for the week of Valentine's Day, so I have a little catching up to do. I did, however, make this very pretty clear tab divider, and I like it a lot. So, oh, my page is coming off. Okay. So this is the last week that I decorated. I'm not sure what I want to do for the week of Valentine's Day. So for now, I'm going to skip it, but I am going to come back to it and at least decorate it, even if I don't fill it in. I did take some notes there, but I want to get ahead of the game a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do this week. Let's see, I can put the sticky note on the same page there. So I'm going to go ahead and do the week of the 21st through the 27th. And it just so happens that I got washi tape from Sticker Co. And this is what this one looks like. It's the drip in all 3 sizes. And then I also got the ink in the large size, or ink. And then I got the melanin and the black, green, yellow, and red. So I got these that I can work with. And even though I used the Afrocentric dress on the previous, well, on the last week that I did, it really, none of those dresses would really go with this washi tape anyway. So let's move on. Oh, and this is what else came with the washi. Let me show that. So I think these are Valentine's Day inspired. They are drip stickers. So let's see. I don't want to pull it all the way off, but you can see the negative space is drip. So those are cool. That's a freebie that came with my order. And also this journaling card came with it. Let's go ahead and open these. So these two actually have black. The black is mostly covered under the gold foil drip on these. Interesting. Okay. So which ones do I want to use? Let's start out with the ink. Okay, so that's good for that. Then at the top, I'm gonna put the drip, but I'm gonna use the small drip. Okay, let's put the melanin up there. I think I was going to do another drip, but let's not. Let's do the melanin. Let's see, I think these boxes are a true black. So let's pop one of them in here. Let's use a today sticker. So I think that is it for those stickers. Let's see, what doll do I want to use? Do I want to use her Rebel? I think I should. I mean, I used her, so I'm not really crazy about her outfit, but I did use this doll, I think, for the Raven spread in the Dollar Tree planner. But I think I better use her here because she does have the fist going on. So yeah, let's put her in this planner. Nope, I want to put her over here. So she is from Coco's Vision. Let's see if there's anything else in here that I could use possibly. Let's see. Maybe I can use her too. Do 2 dolls this week, or is she distracting? I think she's distracting. So I think that's gonna be it. Let's see. Maybe I'll use this fist. This is from CHELA Creates. I probably should print this again. I think I'll put it here so that I can use. It's really a Juneteenth kit, but I've been using bits and pieces other places, but I think I've used everything that wasn't Juneteenth already. I could use the eye though and just black out the, I can't believe I just lost that. Okay, so I could use this here, right? Because it matches the washi tape. And then I can just take a pen, let's take this pen right here, and black out where it says Juneteenth. Could do a marker too. It's just that I have the pen close by. Cool. Like that. Let's see what else is in here. Let's use the other eye too. Let me put it down here. So we got those 2 eyes added. That added a little something to it. But I think that may be most of, oh, I do have some quotes from CHELA Creates that I can use. Let's see, where are they? Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there. That is from CHELA Creates. Also from, let's see, I think it's the New Me kit that's from. And I'm gonna call that good, even though I feel like I need to put something here. I am not. So that's gonna wrap up Black History Month in my work planner. So let's pop that back in. So now I can just look for my tab to find my space. I love it so much. Okay, so this goes here. So that is it. That is my work planner for the week of the 21st through the 27th. That wraps up Black History Month in my work planner. I used washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. The 2 eye stickers, the fist, and the quote are from CHELA Creates. The doll is from Coco's Vision. The script stickers, the boxes, and the checklists are from Kell of a Plan. The inserts are dated inserts available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. If you're interested in becoming a patron, there is information in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.